colleges, and it's used by people more with HR, MIS, finance, and it's used in calculation of formulas. So it is used in different industries. In absolutely each and every industry, it is used these days. It is used for presenting data. Okay, so a lot of these areas it is used, and understanding of Excel is important for everyone these days. Okay, so since I have explained you what is a spreadsheet, it's just a file with that exists of cells in rows and columns that can help arrange, calculate, and sort data. So here in Microsoft Excel, it is more than that. Okay, so today we will learn what is introduction to Excel, which is I've already discussed, and now how a cell is defined. So before understanding how to define a cell, we have to understand what do you understand by a cell. A cell is nothing but it's an area which is a combination of both row and a column. So this, if you are seeing these blocks, right? These blocks are there, these blocks are there. This is nothing but it's called a cell. This is a cell. This is a cell. This is a cell. Okay. So these are the blocks which are called cells. Okay. So basically, let's erase it. Okay. So these are basically called as cells. Okay. Now, so if you have to understand what do you understand, if you have to understand how to define a cell, sorry. So you have to understand what do you understand by row and a column. So row is nothing but an horizontal line. Okay, it's an horizontal line. Like it is represented by number. Like it's represented here by 1. Okay, and the column is always represented by an alphabet. Okay, so if I keep my cursor here, if I just keep my cursor here, just a second. If I just keep my cursor here, okay, let's say, so it is showing A1, so which is nothing but a combination of row and a column. So it is just a combination of row, row, one is the row and A is the column. So what it is displaying here, it is nothing but A1. So it displays like column and a row, but it is nothing but row and a column. So you can understand either way. But here it in Excel, it's never represented as 1A. So row is always represented by numbers, column is always represented by alphabets, right? So that is how we have to see. So if I go here, now it becomes A2. So it means A row, A column, sorry, and 2 row, 2 row. Okay. So here if I go, it is represented by second row and bth column. Okay. So this is how you define a cell. This is nothing but a definition of cell. What is B2? B2 is nothing but column B and row 2. What is difference between a workbook and a sheet? Whenever you open a new Excel file, so you can go here and you can go here and you can open a new Excel file. Okay, there is an option called new and you can open from here. Okay, so that is how you can open. So that is how you can open a new workbook. So every time you open a book, every time you open a new book, it is always stored as book 1. So then you have to rename it. You have to save it in a different name. Okay, so there will be an option here in this menu. So all these bars, like you're seeing, file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help, these are called menus. You have menu here. Okay, these are menu bars. Okay, In workbook, you have different sheets. Okay, so you see here as sheet 1. Okay, then you click on plus, you go to sheet 2, it automatically gives the name of sheet 2. So how you can rename it? So you can just go to this sheet and right click, and then you will have option of rename. You can click on rename, then you can rename it as Srinivas, or you can do any name. You can give any name, or you can do XYZ also. Okay, and next time if you want to open one more sheet, then you click on new sheet. It will open a new sheet, and you can change the you can just click the sheet here and move here. Okay, just click the sheet here and move. Okay, right. Okay, just click, hold it, and then move it. Okay, like that. So we understood all three things. We understood about introduction to Excel, how a cell is defined, and what is the difference between work and sheet. So kindly do subscribe for my channel, that is SMTutorials. And thank you very much. And in case if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. Thank you very much.